American pea farmers are hoping for better days. During the trade war with China, they lost key export markets and prices dropped as a result. But now there may be new hope thanks to the plant-based protein craze. As you saw, Jane Wells is in Flaxville, Montana tonight.
I actually love this. I love being out in the middle of nowhere.
Paul Canning is a fourth-generation Montana farmer and Air Force veteran at the center of America's protein debate. He grows peas in a state better known for beef.
There's this kind of friction between beef growers and pea growers on things like Beyond Meat.
America's pea farmers are on a tear. Production is up 40% from a year ago, and acreage has grown 400% over 25 years. But pea prices are not good.
You know, they're trading under 10 cents a pound to the grower, which is really below the cost of production right now.
Wow. Tim McGreevy says peas are split between domestic and foreign markets. Most U.S. peas go out of the country. But the two largest customers, India and China, have slapped on huge tariffs, and exports have collapsed.
We're down about 300,000 metric tons in demand from our two largest suppliers. And so that's a little hard to make up.
The hope is that as farmers in places like Montana decide what to plant, domestic demand from companies like Beyond Meat will make up for the losses overseas.
So these are yellow peas that have been treated.
Paul Canning has bought special pea seeds for 2020 from a pea protein company called Purus Foods. Purus has a $100 million investment from Cargill to beef up pea resources and convince more farmers of any crop to use peas as part of their rotation.
There's a lot of beauty in peas, specifically because they're nitrogen fixating. So they take nitrogen from the air and convert it to usable fertilizer for itself, but they overproduce it, so they make fertilizer for the next plant.
Beyond Meat isn't the only customer. Tyson has created a new pea and beef blend. In fact, last year in the U.S., 327 new pea protein products hit the market, up from only 11 a decade ago.
If this is something that's going to be sustained, I want to take the opportunity to kind of get in on the ground floor.
Canning hopes the hype around proteins grown sustainably is also sustainable. For Nightly Business Report, Jane Wells, Flaxville, Montana.